So we are going to see time and work related problems. Okay, so always we have to keep in mind that the rate of work and time are inversely proportional to each other. That is, rate of work equal to 1 by time. Okay, and one more thing is the number of days to complete the work by both A and B together means the formula is AB divided by A plus B. This is we have to keep in mind always. Okay, now we are going to see the practice sets, right? First set, first problem. Okay, if A can do a piece of work in 10 days, okay, 10 days, and B does the same work in 15 days, then A and B together can do the same work, means A plus B. Formula is AB divided by A plus B equal to 10 into 15 divided by 10 plus 15, which is 150 divided by 25. Cut this, we get 6. So 6 days. This is the answer. Okay. So if both days are given and we have to find together they will do the same work, means we have to use this formula and find the answer. Okay. So this is the practice set in like the above problem. If A can do a piece of work in 20 days and B does the same work in 5 days, then in how many days they together will do the same work? Okay, use the same method as above and find the answer and comment the answer. Okay, next method, type 2. If A can do a piece of work in 40 days and A and B together do the same work in 8 days, then in how many days B alone can do the same work? Okay, so A's 1 day work equal to 1 by 40. That is, time and work are inversely proportional to each other. Likewise, A plus B's 1 day work equal to 1 by 8. We need B's, right? So A plus B minus A means we get B, right? So B's 1 day work equal to A plus B. So 1 day work equal to 1 by 8 minus A's 1 day work 1 by 40. So 40, 5 8s are 40 minus 1, 4 by 40. So 10. This is B's 1 day work, right? So time and work is inversely proportional to each other. So B can do the same work in 10 days. This is the answer. Okay, so likewise this is the practice set for the above method. If A can do a piece of work in 9 days and A and B together do the same work in 6 days, then in how many days B alone can do the same work? Use the above method and find the answer and comment the answer. Okay, next method. If A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, right, then B and C can do the same work in 15 days. A and C do the same work in 20 days. So in how many days A alone do the same work? This is the question, right? So A plus B's 1 day work equal to 1 day work equal to 1 by 12. Likewise, B plus C's 1 day work equal to 1 by 15. A plus C's 1 day work equal to 1 by 20. So A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C's 1 day work equal to, add all this, we get 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So 12, 15, 20. See, LCM equal to 2, 15, 10 and 2, 3, 15, 5. 3, 1, 5, 5. 5, 1, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 is LCM. 5 plus 4 plus 3, which is 9 plus 3 is 12 by 60. 5, which is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. So A plus A 2 times, b plus b 2 times, c plus c 2 times. So 2 into a plus b plus c equal to 1 by 5. So a plus b plus c's one day work equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so a plus b plus c's one day work equal to 1 by 10. We need the answer for a alone, right? So a plus b plus c minus b plus c means cut this, we get a, right? Use this method. We find the a alone. So a plus b plus c can do the same work in 1 by 10 minus b plus c can do the same work in 1 by 15, 1 day work. So 10 and 15 LCM equal to 5, 2, 3. So 630. 30 is the LCM. 3 minus 2, which is 1 by 30. So A's 1 day work equal to 1 by 30. So A can do the piece of work in 30 days. Right? This is the answer. Okay. So time and work is inversely proportional to each other. While we add all these things, we get 2 into a plus b plus c is 1 day work, that is 1 by 2. So a plus b plus c minus b plus c means we get a alone do the same work. So we get the answer, right? So this is the practice set for this problem. If a and b can do the same piece of work in 72 days and b and c can do the same work in 120 days, a and c can do the same work in 90 days, then in how many days a alone can finish the same work? Okay, so find the answer as like above and comment the answer. Okay, the next method, next type, that is a is twice as good as b. So a is to b is a is twice, okay, twice as good as b, right? So and next is together they finish the piece of work in 36 days. So a and b together do the piece of work in 36 days. So we need to find the answer for a alone. Okay, a alone. So a plus b is 1 day work equal to 1 by 36. Okay, so this is the ratio, right? So add this, we get 3, right? So A's efficiency is 2 by 3. Okay, a plus b is 1 day work equal to 1 by 3. So we need A's, right? So A's we get 1 by 36 into 2 by 3. We get 18, 3 8s are 54, that is 1 by 54. So A's 1 day work equal to 1 by 54. So A can do the piece of work in 54 days. So this is the answer. Okay, because there is in ratio we have to find the A alone's ratio is 2 by 3. Likewise B's ratio is 1 by 3. This is A's, this is B's. Okay, so a plus b is 36. A plus b is 1 day work equal to 1 by 36. We need A's 1 day work. So we will, while we multiply this with the A's efficiency, we get the answer. Okay, so this is the practice set. A is twice as good as b. Together they finish the piece of work in 18 days. The number of days taken by A alone to finish the work. Okay, do the problem as like above and find the answer and then comment the answer. Okay, so next, thank you.